Okay, this is Expedition America. It's Phil, Blake, Amber's over there taking pictures. And we are here, and Ellie. And we are here at the Hoover Dam in Nevada. And it is, holy crap, wow.
It's really big.
Blake says it's really big.
They're building a bridge.
Yeah.
That's going to be the bypass over the river someday.
I almost want to...
There's Arizona time and there's Nevada time.
Oh, by the way, we're on the state line from Nevada to Arizona, Nevada time. The Nevada line is over there, where that little blue clock is. And sorry, Arizona time. No, yes, Nevada, Arizona, Nevada, Arizona.
That's not.
And Lake Mead again. And the Colorado River way down there. So, this is Expedition America. What?
Technically, that's a Colorado River.
Hoover Dam.
That's like me.
Named in honor of Herbert Clark Hoover, 51st state.
That'd be 31st.
31st president of the United States.
Yeah.
I thought it said 50.
You're a dork, Amber.
Especially since we're at like 44 now.
Yeah, I was going to say, isn't
Think
it around
you
like
two are-
43, 44? Never knew that we had a 51st before 41st.
But this is Expedition America. See you later.
Bye.
Agua. You're gonna have to edit that one. Agua.